I wanted to share resources that I have with you to declutter your home and your life. Here are my free resources. If you go to reawakenyourbrilliance.com, I have 10 free tips to declutter your life right now. Bam, a take action item to get started. Then you get my free newsletter twice a month. I also blog, one that's weekly, this kind of long, and then other that's short. And I've got over 1,500 blogs archived that you can check out. My podcast, Clear Your Clutter Inside and Out, is on YouTube as well as where you listen to podcast episodes. It's got over 500 episodes. If you want to invest a little bit of money, I have decluttering and organizing video and audio classes. I have affirmations that you can choose from, about 10 to 15 minutes each, a little more detailed, and you can learn more on the website about what I do with that. And then I also have 15 books to choose from, a whole Got Clutter 365 journal prompt series. There's my 21-day jumpstart to declutter your life and your home. And then Clear Your Clutter Inside and Out, which was kind of based on the podcast, and it has 21 standalone chapters as well as a companion workbook that goes into a little more detail. If you have a little more money you want to spend, then I do coaching. I love to work on people with decluttering their life so they can share their gifts with the world. And then I also do professional speaking if you're looking for someone for your group or event. Learn more at reawakenyourbrilliance.com. Come on, let's get started.